Hello everyone, welcome back. So I'm gonna take the Habu up. This is either gonna be an epic fail or it's gonna be okay. We got no wind and I have no Jeff to help in case things go wrong. I can't always have somebody here to hold my hands though. Let's cross for a good flight. Alright, let's make sure safe mode is on. I'm not quite... Yeah, I think that should be on because that's... It's so quiet though, you don't really hear it. Okay. Ooh, I was just about to take off with this thing off. Damn. God, I've only flown this thing once and Jeff was there. The flight did okay, it was the landing, but I think, you know, not landing in the grass should be better, I hope. Oh my God, man, my heart rate. 89. Let's see. Ah! It started taking off. It started to. I guess I should have just let it be. I have flashbacks of when that happened. Jeff. His didn't take off. I think we got a slight breeze coming at me. It's hard. There's really not much going on here. Whoa. Okay. I think I might have to adjust that. That's way off. Ooh, she's airborne. That's a good thing. I want to see how slow I can get this thing to fly. Might not be so bad. Woo! Flying a jet! Oh man. We're flying a jet. Oh man. Whew. My hands are shaking, man. My hands are shaking. I'm also nervous because I know when I land this thing, that front wheel is not aligned right. So I know it's gonna be an issue. Oh wow. I'm not even sure if I'm in the high rates. I don't think I am. As slow as this thing is turning. This is bad. I got the sun glaring behind me. It's gonna make it really, really hard. Let's see what landing's gonna be like. Let's just practice like a coming in. Oh, wow. Landing's gonna be hard. Whew. Oh man. Ooh, well, batteries. Well, it's not terrible, but I think I need to try that way. If I have to go around, I got some reserve. All right, let's try it. Oh man, please. Oh. Yeah, that was not good. It's not a basketball. All right, so let's try it. Seems to float down pretty nice. Shit. Going for the grass. Man, it was not a beautiful landing, but I think the problem, I'm just adding too much elevator. I don't have any throttle in it. Man, this thing is just fast for what I'm used to. Well, thing appears to be in good shape. I got a little more battery. Let me see. Yeah, I'm in the high throws. Let's see. Woo! Maybe I'll try landing it this way. I got a little bit more space. Whoa. I'm getting too nervous now. Damn it! I kind of want to have one good landing. Maybe it's that wheel being off that's jacking up the landing. I don't know. Try to go home on a good landing. I probably should be way closer to the... Yeah. I'm just not used to something this fast. Whew. Ah, yeah. Yes. Thank you. All right, so let's remember this thing's turning to the left really, really bad. Ah, thank you. The Habu lives. Oh, that was a good landing. I'll take that. It's turning horribly to the left of it. Ah. Rates at 107. All right, everyone. Oh, the Habu. She lives to fly another day, man. Awesome. Yeah, those first two landings, let's not even talk about that. That didn't happen. Let's just talk about that last one, man. She just greased in there. So it's gonna take time, guys. I don't have any experience with this really. So yeah, the first two times I realized I had no power. The second time I got close to ground, I gave it a little power and it just came down, gave that little flare, and man, she just, whew. I'm gonna let my nerves settle down. And man, awesome, man. I'm so glad I got to fly this thing. I've been waiting forever. Every time I meet Jeff, it's just so windy, and I have flashbacks of that time that the wind caught it and it dug the wing in and broke. Whew. Everyone, hey, thank you for sticking around, watching me grow into this hobby, go from a complete amateur to, you know, now we got into some jets, and now we have a glider too. So man, I love anything RC. I do. Even though, look, I am kidding, man. That's how damn nervous I am. That's why this is way more exciting than the RC cars, but I still love my cars. But oh, all right, everyone. Hey, I appreciate the support. If you're gonna buy a plane, I have Amain and Tower Hobby affiliate links down below. Really help me out. If you're buying any parts, that helps out. So if you can, I'd appreciate it. Amazon too, and I also have you some discount codes, get you some coupons for some pretty cool merchandise as well. Everyone, thanks for watching, the support, everything. Like, shares, comments, appreciated. Please subscribe if you haven't, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.